Now, we will explain how to set up the Ikari Warrior game in RetroPie to work with the GRS Super Joystick. First, make sure you are using MAME2010 to run the game and that it's in keystroke mode. We press the Mode plus joystick button for 3 seconds until the light turns green, indicating that it has switched to keystroke mode. Next, press Tab to enter the main menu. Then, click on Input, this game. First, map the Start and Coin buttons. Then, map the joysticks up, down, left, and right. And map button 1 and button 2. For the positional analog, make sure it's set to none. Press A on positional analog, then press ESC to make it none. Then go to positional analog deck, click and turn the knob counterclockwise. For positional analoging, click and turn the knob clockwise. Now, the game button settings are complete. Now we go back to the previous page and enter analog controls. We need to make sure the positional digital speed is set to 0 and the positional sensitivity is set to 100. All the settings are now complete. Press Tab to exit the main menu. Now, you can start the game. As you can see, the Super Joystick's control is perfectly integrated with the game. Now, you can see that in the game, the rotation of the knob simultaneously controls the character's rotation and movement. This is because in MAME, the left and right movements of the keyboard are bound to the joystick's D-pad left and right by default. Therefore, when you rotate the knob, the character in the game also moves left or right. We have two solutions to this problem. The first solution is to use configuration tool software to map the keystrokes for clockwise and counterclockwise rotation to two different keyboard keys. The second solution is to map the joystick movement to the up, down, left, and right directions of the A-pad. This works because the A-pad is not bound to the keyboard's up, down, left and right movements. Now, we will demonstrate the second solution. First, press Tab to enter the main menu. Then, go to Input, this game. We will switch the joysticks up, down, left, and right to A-pad. We can briefly press the Mode button to change the joystick to A-pad. Then, switch back to the D-pad to move the menu, or use the keyboard to move the menu. Next, follow the same process to map down, left, and right to A-pad, replacing the D-pad mapping. Now, we have completed mapping the A-pad to the game's up, down, left, and right. Now, exit the main menu. At this point, rotating the knob in the game will not cause the character to move left or right.